In today's sets tutorial, iSets area, we're going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 or Windows 11 error message 0xc000001, which says your PC couldn't set start correctly. Don't worry, we'll go through a few methods to fix it easily. Step 1. Access the Windows recovery options. If you can set boot into Windows, you still need to force your computer into recovery mode. To do this, hold down the power button to turn off your computer, then turn it back on. Repeat this 3 times in a row. On the third time, Windows should automatically launch the recovery options screen. If that doesn't work, you can use a Windows installation USB or DVD, boot from it, and click Repair My Computer instead of Install Now. Step 2, open Troubleshoot and use System Restore. Once you see the Choose an Option screen, click Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options. Here, the first thing to try is System Restore. Choose System Restore to restore your PC to an earlier point in time. This will not affect your personal files, but it will restore Windows system files and settings. If you don't have any restore points available, skip this step and continue with the next solution. Step 3, use Command Prompt to repair system files. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, identify where Windows is installed. Type C, then press Enter, then type dir to list files. If you don't see folders like Windows or program files, try other drives such as D or E. Once you've found the correct drive type, this command runs the system file checker to repair corrupted system files. If you get an error such as Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation, try the next command. Type this command and press Enter. This will check and repair your Windows system image. Wait for the process to complete. It may take several minutes. Hopefully, one of these methods will help you fix the startup error. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.